Doug Smith. I'm again doing a quick video on zip forms just to make sure we're all just always training up on the two main websites. So again, the way I get to zip forms is texasrealestate.com. I'm going to go over here to log in. I'm going to have my password and email saved. Once I hit login here, you're going to see that the screen turns blue. And actually, it's going to go right back to this website. Now I'm going to hit zip forms because it'll say my name. Shows I'm logged in. Now the screen's going to turn blue. And again, just like on the MLS, when we do a search, we go results, save, new auto email. On zip forms, we're going to look for one tab and one tab only, the new tab. Never hit anything else other than the new tab. When you hit the new tab, 5 boxes pull up. You only care about the first 3. A seller, a buyer, a tenant landlord. So let's say it was a buyer. You'd select the buyer template. You would name it. You would select the dot next to residential. Always do that. We're trying to simplify getting into a zip form. So name it, the dot next to residential, and then it just simply says select a template. You're going to pick the buyer template. You'll hit save, and the next screen, you're at a white summary square. There it is right there. You're going to go 2 tabs to documents, and all your forms are pre-filled. Okay. So one more time, just to make sure we're on the same page. Whenever you log into zip forms, you will log in. It will have your name. You hit the zip forms tab. When you see the screen turn blue, you'll hit one tab and one tab only, the new button. You'll have 5 boxes to pick from. All we care about is the first 3. Seller, buyer, tenant landlord. Again, seller, buyer, tenant landlord. Oh, it's a seller. Click listing. You're going to name it. Always select the dot next to residential. Pick from the drop down that says listing or seller. You're going to hit save. The next screen, you're looking at a white summary square. You'll go 2 tabs over to documents. Everything is pre-filled. One more time. In order to get into zip forms, texasrealestate.com. You're going to hit the blue tab. The screen turns blue. We're going to hit one button. It's the new tab. When we hit it, we're going to work with a tenant landlord, let's say. It's going to be the 3rd square. We don't care about the 4th and 5th squares ever. It's going to be a tenant. We'll name it Joe Blow. Select the dot next to residential. It doesn't matter. Always select that. Template. You're going to pick the tenant template. You're going to scroll down. You're going to hit save. You're going to be at a white summary square. You're going to go 2 tabs over to documents. All your forms are there. One more time, and then we'll be done with the training. We go to zip forms. We hit the zip forms button. The screen turns blue. We're looking for one tab and one tab only. The new button. You click it, you have 5 boxes. We've already done a buyer. We've already done a seller, and we've done a tenant. Let's say it's a landlord. We're going to select lease. We're going to name it the landlord's name. We're going to always select the dot next to residential. We're going to pick the template, landlord. We're going to go to the bottom and hit save. We're going to be at the white summary square. We're going to go 2 tabs over to documents. All your forms are pre-filled. All right? Y'all be safe.